Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Thursday the 13th of April 2022. Major mover of the day so far has been Ethereum. Posted the reason regarding this inside the chat room. Basically we've seen Binance announce today that users who staked ETH, which is what we're trading here, through the exchange will be able to redeem coins with their ETH, which is the Binance ETH holdings, on a one-to-one basis starting from April the 19th, so that's next week. The announcement came after, just hours in fact, after Ethereum implemented the highly anticipated Shapella hard fork, also known as Shanghai upgrade. So we've been seeing here some movement to the upside with an initial positive reaction from the asset itself, from price, and we can see it's traded up through that resistance trend line and into the 2000 handle. We haven't seen 2000 for quite some time, and I'm going to point out right now why this level is particularly important. It should be quite obvious for those who look at technical analysis. It's because we're approaching quite a significant top there from August of last year. You can also see, in fact, before August we saw a rejection of this level back in at the end of May, as you can see there on my charts. So yes, we've pierced the ascending trend line. At this point yesterday we hadn't, and that short that we were looking at around that trend line came into fruition. We moved back down 1850. I said watch out for moving to 1850, and then we might find that bounce. It's pretty much to the point what we got. So if you're tuning in with these briefs, I'm giving you some good stuff. So Ethereum, then we've moved through that resistance trend line into 2000. Bit of a pause expected. I've suggested we might even look to fade this entire move. On the back of this news, it's more of a fade the news event. I'm not really buying why we should be seeing Ethereum soaring just on the basis of what actually this upgrade is. But when there's euphoria and there's been upgrades in the past, we have also seen decent looking breakouts, and if we get through 2000, then we might just be starting a new trend to the upside on Ethereum. BTC, as you can see, hasn't reacted at all compared to Ethereum, so of course this is a purely Ethereum play. BTC, just to highlight, we do have an inside bar on the daily, so the high and the low within the previous one, all momentum to the upside. So usually I would favor trading the upside breakout of this bar rather than anything below. If we do finish inside again, that'll be a double inside bar breakout. It's further showing signs of consolidation, contraction, and then you do usually get that break either on the highs or the lows of that particular range. Ripple, super flat over the past week, 2 weeks now, not gone anywhere. 50 cents handle provides that sort of line in the sand, I would say. Litecoin is a little bit choppy. It remains in its range trade between 95 and down at around 88. So they're basically the two main levels for me. 95 down to 98. Trading between that is just a nice mean reversion play at the minute. Just double checking here if there's anything else I wanted to add onto that, any further depth, but I don't think that is. Of course, if you want, you can read more about the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade and exactly what it means, but I'm not going to go into the details on this brief. We're more wanting to just look at what's been moving price and if we're going to be able to trade anything off the back of that, essentially. And they're just a few ideas from my end today. Okay, that's it. I'll post this in the crypto chat room. You can find in there already my crypto levels, as you can see here, for the day. I'll leave it there. Until next time, all the best and bye for now.